There we go, guys. We got the shifter for the bike, so now it's officially ready to hit the roads. As you guys just saw, we got the complete fairing kit for this BMW S1000, all OEM. So we're gonna start slapping those on, but first, I'm gonna give this frame a little TLC, clean it up, and then we're gonna start slapping them on. Man, that turned out a lot better than expected. I'm super happy with how that frame turned out. I'm gonna let that cure overnight, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow to throw on the fairings. Let me tell you guys, these fairings are absolutely gorgeous and I love the colors. We've got the majority of the front fairings on. Now we're gonna jump onto the rear and install the fender delete and the rear fairings and see how they turn out. Unfortunately, the seller who sold me this complete fairing kit forgot this rear tail piece in the order, so we're gonna move back over to the front now. And I took a break from the front because I had to repair that tab right there. Now it's all good to go, so let's throw it on the front. check out those colors. I'm so glad I stayed with the OEM. Those colors are amazing. The other side is still drying from that glue, so I'll throw it on tomorrow. Little touches like that tank protector right there just add to the bike so well. So now let's fill up the brake reservoir and bleed the brakes. Alright guys, so you guys just saw those parts that came in from Germany, the lock cylinder, the rear fairing, and some extra miscellaneous pieces. I'll tell you guys more about that later, but there is rain on the way and I'm dying to ride this thing. So I'm gonna turn it on, see if I can take it around the block. I've got no throttle, but I'm gonna play with that clutch and see if it will allow me to ride around the block. That was absolutely exhilarating to be on this S1000. I can't describe how loud and aggressive this thing sounds, but it's gonna sound amazing under some load. Now let me show you guys the things I picked up earlier from Germany. The seller was unable to find the rear fairing, so I purchased one of these to fit the backside of the bike. Also, all the way from Germany, I got the complete lock cylinder. Picked up some new swing arm stand mounts because these ones are shot. And lastly, I purchased a throttle grip cable replacement. But here's where I messed up. I cut into the previous throttle cable, and as you can see, there are solid big colored wires in there. And on the replacement, they are very small and they are not the same colors. I already contacted BMW Motorrad and ordered the correct cable, so that will be in here shortly. On my test drive, the brakes worked absolutely flawlessly and the ABS light on the screen went away. Man, this S1000 puts a huge smile on my face. So we'll catch you guys in the next one when this beast is ready to be unleashed. See ya. Little bonus content for you guys. Let's get these Honda emblems off and paint them. 1 and 2. They're glued in there. Man, that's a lot of glue. Yeah, that's pretty satisfying right there. I forgot the lettering does not protrude on the emblems, so I'm not gonna paint them or else it'd just be a little black circle. So I'm just gonna stick them on here, and I think that would look pretty good. 3M tape. Boom. Bang. Bada bop boom. Sheesh. Sheesh. Sheesh.